there, fry lovers! Got a bunch of leftover fries and not sure what to do with them? Well, you're in for a treat. In this video, we're transforming those cold, forgotten fries into mouth-watering dishes you won't believe are made from leftovers. Get ready to up your fry game and never waste a single fry again. Stick around as we kick things off with a delicious breakfast idea that'll have you jumping out of bed. Let's dive in. First up, we're starting our day right with a fritata. It's like a frittata, but with fries. You'll need about 2 cups of leftover fries, 6 eggs, a quarter cup of milk, your favorite cheese. I'm using cheddar, some chopped onions, peppers, whatever veggies you like. Whisk those eggs and milk together, season with salt and pepper, then toss in your fries, veggies, and cheese. Pour that glorious mixture into a greased skillet and cook it over medium heat until it's set, about 10 to 15 minutes. Boom! Frittata for the win! Next, we're going full snack mode with loaded fry chokes. Grab a baking sheet and spread out those leftover fries. Now let's get cheesy. I'm using a blend of cheddar and Monterey Jack, but feel free to go wild. Sprinkle on some cooked ground beef, diced tomatoes, onions, jalapenos. You know the drill. Pop those bad boys in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Top with sour cream, guacamole, salsa, whatever your heart desires. You won't believe these epic nachos started with leftover fries. Let's be honest, sometimes those leftover fries are a little sad, soggy even, but fear not. We're turning them into crispy golden fry hash browns. Heat up some oil in a skillet over medium heat. While that's getting hot, roughly chop your leftover fries. Toss those chopped fries into the hot oil and press them down with a spatula. Cook for about 5 minutes per side, or until they're nice and crispy. Season with salt, pepper, maybe some paprika if you're feeling fancy. These are perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Chapter 4. Fancy Fry Gratin. Because fries deserve to be classy, it's time to elevate those leftover fries with a fancy fry gratin. Don't worry, it's not as hard as it sounds. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Grab a baking dish and spread a thin layer of your favorite marinara sauce on the bottom. Now layer in those leftover fries, followed by a sprinkle of cheese. Gruyere or fontina work great here, and repeat. Top with a final layer of cheese and bake for about 20 minutes or until golden and bubbly. Garnish with some fresh parsley for extra fanciness. Chapter 5. Fry tacos. The taco truck doesn't have anything on this. Taco Tuesday just got a whole lot more interesting with these fried tacos. Heat up your leftover fries in a skillet until they're warmed through and slightly crispy. While those are heating, prepare your favorite taco toppings. I've got seasoned ground beef, lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, sour cream, and salsa. Once those fries are hot, pile on the toppings and get ready for a flavor explosion. These fried tacos are messy, cheesy, and absolutely delicious. Chapter 6. Fryza, the pizza fry hybrid you need in your life. Get ready for the ultimate comfort food mashup, Fryza. Spread those leftover fries on a baking sheet. Top with your favorite pizza sauce, a generous amount of mozzarella cheese, and your go-to pizza toppings. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Slice it up like a pizza and enjoy the cheesy, crispy goodness. Chapter 7. Leftover fry casserole, the ultimate comfort food. Let's get cozy with a leftover fry casserole that'll warm you from the inside out. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, combine those leftover fries with cooked ground beef, a can of cream of mushroom soup, some milk, cheese, and your favorite seasonings. Pour the mixture into a greased casserole dish and bake for 30 minutes, or until heated through and bubbly. Top with some extra cheese and let it melt for a minute or two before serving. This casserole is pure comfort food magic. Chapter 8. Fry soup. You won't believe it until you try it. Fry soup might sound crazy, but trust me, it's surprisingly delicious. In a large pot, sauté some chopped onions and garlic in butter until softened. Add in chicken broth, potatoes, diced, and your favorite seasonings. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer until the potatoes are tender. Stir in some heavy cream and those leftover fries. Let it simmer for a few more minutes to let the flavors melt. Puree the soup until smooth or leave it chunky for some texture. Garnish with fresh herbs and enjoy. Chapter 9. Fry salad. Yes, really, a salad with fries. Who says salads have to be boring? We're adding a crispy, salty twist with fry salad. Start with a bed of your favorite greens. Add in some chopped veggies like tomatoes, cucumbers, and bell peppers. Now, for the star of the show, those leftover fries. Toss them in a little olive oil and your favorite seasonings, then bake them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until crispy. Sprinkle those crispy fries on top of your salad, add your favorite dressing, and enjoy the crunch. Chapter 10. The Ultimate Fry Sandwich. Level up your leftovers. We're ending this epic fry journey with the ultimate fry sandwich. Grab your favorite bread and toast it to perfection. While the bread is toasting, heat up those leftover fries until they're warm and slightly crispy. Layer on some cheese, your favorite sandwich toppings, I'm going with bacon, lettuce, and tomato, and pile those hot fries on top. Add a sauce of your choice. Spicy mayo, anyone? Slap on that other slice of toast and get ready for the best fry sandwich of your life. There you have it. 10 mind-blowing recipes that transform those sad leftover fries into culinary masterpieces. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, if this video gets 1 million likes, I'm giving away free fries for a year. So smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends. Let's show the world that leftover fries aren't just leftovers. They're an opportunity for deliciousness. Until next time, peace out.